This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing essential inputs and launching Access immediately. First, confirm your data format, text, image, or audio, so the model parses correctly. Next, pick a model size, small if you need speed, large if you need quality. Once done, secure your API key and set sensible limits like a 1/2 second timeout and 100 requests per minute to avoid throttling. Make sure to log requests. This helps diagnose problems and keeps your workflow predictable and efficient. You now focus on crafting prompts and controlling outputs. Start with a clear instruction and give 1-3 concise examples so the model learns your pattern quickly. Then use system messages to lock in tone, role, and constraints. This prevents drift during long sessions. After that, tweak temperature between 0 and 1 to trade creativity for consistency and set max tokens to cap length. Once these controls are in place, run a short test, inspect results, and iterate until outputs match your intent. You complete the process by validating and deploying the system safely. First, run unit tests and gather feedback from a few sample users to catch edge cases. Then deploy with monitoring and implement retries plus exponential backoff and robust error logging to handle transient failures. Make sure to include a fallback path, like a canned response or reduced function mode, so users still get value if the model fails. If things go wrong, check logs, reduce temperature, and rerun the failing prompt.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.